Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a great day. We have a big surprise for the Galaxy A13 5G for anybody inside of the United States. This is going to be for the unlocked version and the Metro by T-Mobile version, and I'm sure the Boost Mobile and Cricket Wireless versions as well got this inside the US. But we have the A13 5G right here. This is set to Metro by T-Mobile, and I was doing a little bit of a comparison today between this and some previous A-series devices that's going to be on my channel very soon, and I noticed, guess what guys, we got the One UI Core 5 upgrade, Android 13 on the Galaxy A13 5G, and I was super surprised to see this, as I didn't see it in the last few months when they said they had released it. So I was hoping that it was going to be released a couple months ago when I had previously talked about this in a news video I did, but it seems like every other country got it before the United States got it, which kind of sucks. But we have the One UI Core 5 upgrade right here. Check your Galaxy A13 if you have this device, and let me know in the comment section down below if you did receive the update. But we're going to go over all of the new features in this video, and we're going to give you some description on all of those right now before we go ahead and upgrade this. Alright everybody, so it says update ready to install. You can postpone the installation up to 2 times. Your phone will restart after the update is installed. Just a heads up guys, if you guys are going to update this device, I wouldn't do it while you're outside the house and you need to use your phone, because this may take a while. This is a type of thing, a type of really big update that you're going to want to do at home, like right before you go to bed or something, or put it on like auto update and go ahead and time it. But it says, at Metro by T-Mobile, our customers' privacy is incredibly important. We pride ourselves on making sure your mobile experience is safe and secure. It is strongly recommended that you install the update to protect your device. This will not consume your data. Please do not turn off your device while the update is installing. During installation, you cannot use your device at all, even to dial 911. So those are just the precursors to updating and the warnings of everything that's happening. Now it says what's new. It says One UI Core 5 upgrade, Android 13. One UI Core 5 brings you more powerful personalization and makes it easier to get things done across your Galaxy devices. Now first and foremost, we're going to go over the few things that we have in visual design. I don't want to go through all these paragraphs because guys, it's so much. You get so many different new features right now, and some, a lot of security patches and updates and stuff, so inside of this entire package. But we're going to go over this briefly. First and foremost, visual design, new app icons and illustrations. It says icon symbols are larger for a bolder look that's easier to scan. Subtle background gradients and improved contrast give a fresher, more natural feel. New help illustrations have been created to give a consistent look to all apps. So that's the first thing right here. Smoother than ever before. New animations and transition effects make switching between screens feel more natural. Animations and other visual feedback appear instantly when you touch the screen, making interactions more intuitive. Scrolling speed has also been enhanced to make scrolling feel smoother throughout One UI. So that's going to be nicely paired with a 90 Hz refresh rate we already have on here, so that's a really good update right there. Enhanced blurred effects and colors, so background blur effects on the quick panel home screen and throughout One UI have been improved with brighter colors for a clearer and more consistent experience. Simplified app color schemes help you avoid distractions and focus on your current tasks. So those are some pretty decent updates for the visual design right here. Now the next thing is of course customization, and this is going to be the biggest thing for me. This is one of my favorite features of One Core UI 5.0. As you guys know, this is the core version. This is not going to be regular UI 5.0 we see on mid-range and of course flagship devices. This is going to be kind of like a light version of it for the budget phones. And if you guys know already, I talked about this on the A14 5G in the full review. So if you guys are not familiar with this, go ahead and take a look at that video. I don't want to do too much explaining, but it says customize your lock screen. Just touch and hold the lock screen to edit. What could be simpler? Customize your wallpaper, clock style, notification settings, and more with live preview all in one place. So you can finally edit your lock screen and change the time and all that type of stuff. Basically, it already said this on here, but I love that we can finally change that. That's really sick. Also, more wallpaper choices. Wallpaper settings have been redesigned, making it easier to find the perfect wallpaper for your home and lock screens. There are more images, videos, colors, and filters to choose from than ever before. We also have more options for your color palette. It's easier to find the colors that are right for you. Choose up to 16 color themes based on your wallpaper, as well as preset color themes that are designed to look great. So you guys have new colored themes for your wallpaper. That's a great thing. So new colors, you guys are going to be able to refresh and kind of revamp your A13 and easily see who's calling. Set a different call background for each contact. That is sick. So you can easily see who's calling with just a quick glance. Now we have modes and routines. Choose modes based on your activity. Choose a mode based on what you're doing, such as exercising, working, or relaxing. Then choose what you want your phone to do in each situation. For example, turn off Do Not Disturb when you're relaxing or playing music and when you're driving. Bedtime mode is now sleep mode. So sleep mode lets you automate more actions when it's time for bed, like turning on dark mode and changing the sound mode. Easier to discover preset routines. A simplified layout makes it easier to find routines that are useful for you. We also have check running routines quickly. Routines that are currently running are now shown at the top of the routine screen, so you can understand what's happening and make changes if necessary. We also have more actions and conditions for your routines. Automatically start routines when you use airplane mode or mobile hotspot. Routines can now open app pairs and adjust the right and left sound balance. We also have home screen widgets. Stack widgets on your home screen. Combine several widgets of the same size into a single widget to save some space, so we can go ahead and do that. We have multitasking, switch your view with a gesture. I'm just going to go through the rest of these. Camera and gallery, zoom more easily with one hand. Get help with pro mode, add watermarks to your picture, customize albums and gallery, all new look for stories, photo and video editor. So we have create stickers from any picture, more ways to edit GIFs, keep portrait mode effects after editing, new stickers for photos and videos. We also have some more AR emoji stickers. So we have new AR emoji stickers for anybody that uses those when they are texting or using any other application that is applicable with that. We also have do more with AR emojis. So that's pretty cool. And Samsung keyboard, new emojis available for the emoji pair. So new emojis, always great to see. Rearrange expression buttons in Samsung keyboard, enter Kimoji directly from Samsung keyboard, customize a spacebar row in Samsung keyboard. Our notifications right here, get the notifications you allow. Easier access to app notifications control. Choose what types of notifications apps can send. New layout for notifications. We also have some new settings right here. We're just going to scroll past the rest of this. Security and privacy, accessibility, as you guys can see, and some additional changes right here. Now, there is so much packed into this update, guys, and as you guys can see, it is 1,561 megabytes right there, or technically 0.95 megabytes, but a huge update right here. Some cautions at the end of it. You won't be able to use your phone during the update, even for emergency calls, and some settings may change after the update. This update shouldn't affect your personal data, but it's always a good idea to back up your data just in case. So as you guys can see, it is a big update for the Galaxy A13 5G. I am super hyped about this. I'm just going to go ahead and start installing this now, and maybe in the next few days I'll let you know my review on the Galaxy A13 after the One UI Core 5.0 update. But if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Are you guys hyped? Are you guys hyped about the A13? Also, make sure if you guys don't have enough space on your device that you delete some applications or you clear some cache so you can have enough space for this update. I would definitely recommend that. I would say about 1.5 gigabytes is adequate enough to just go ahead and push to the side. But the Galaxy A13 5G on Android 13 Core UI 5.0. I wasn't expecting this today, so that's really cool. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section down below, but hopefully you guys have a great day. This has been Safon from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.